What I am is what's in me. That I'll stay strong, that's who I'll be. And I will always be the best me that I can be. There's only one me, I am it. Have a dream, I'll follow it. It's up to me to try. Oh, I'ma keep my head up high. Keep on reaching high. Never gonna quit, I'll keep getting stronger. And nothing's gonna bring me down. Never gonna stop, gotta go. Because I know I'll keep getting stronger.
Hello everyone, it's another great day to be a Hawk. It's a great year to be a Hawk. Welcome to the 2013-2014 Harvey Swanson Elementary School year. I'm glad you're here today. It was awesome to see so many of you guys dressed up in your brand new Proud to be a Hawk shirts. We all should be proud to be Hawks because that's what we are. We're all Hawks going forward, at least for this year and for a lot of you guys for the next 3 or 4 years of your lives in school. Have you ever heard that song that we started our first Hawk Talk of the year with? It's a song that comes from Sesame Street by an artist named will.i.am, and he's singing with a bunch of Sesame Street characters. It's all about being positive and how you can be the best person that you can be. I try to do that every day. I try to be the best me that I can be. I have some advice for you on how you can be the best Hawk that you can be for this school year. Think about it right now on day one when you start school this year and try to be proud of yourself every day for how you acted. My first tip, and it comes right from the song, be positive. You could look at a situation in two different ways. You could look and see how it's bad, or you could look and see how you could be sad about something, or you could try to look at a situation and be positive. I try to be positive all the time. It's easier. I try to be happy. If you're positive and you're happy, you set yourself up for success. The second thing is, and maybe you've heard me say this before, and I told our outgoing 3rd and 4th graders last year before they went over to the intermediate school as a piece of my advice, every day after school, think about, what am I proud of? What did I do today that I can be proud of? I'll tell you one thing I'll be proud of today. I'm proud of making this Hawk Talk. I like doing these things. I'm proud that I can make them. I'm proud of being the principal here. There are lots of things that I'm proud of, and it makes me happier. Think about your behavior choices at the end of the day. Is there something that you can be proud of that you did? Think about your work. Is there something that you can be proud of that you did during school today? Think about maybe you helped somebody. You can be proud about that. Every day, ask yourself, what can I be proud of? You would have had a good day if you could be proud of something. Another piece of advice I have for you is sometimes in life there are different sets of rules. For example, you might have rules at home for how you should act. They might be different than the rules we have at school. A good example might be, I know it's not snowing outside, but it might be throwing snow. At home, if it's okay with your mom and dad, you might go outside and make snowballs and throw them at each other and laugh and have fun, and everything's okay. If you went to Harvey Swanson last year, you know that you don't ever throw snow here. Home rule might be different than a school rule. Another one might be how you play. At home, it might be okay to wrestle around with your brother or sister or mom or dad. We don't do that here. At school, we have a different rule. At school, our rule is you keep your hands and feet and mouth, everything to yourself. Everybody gets their own personal space at school. Might be different than your rule at home. So keep that in mind. There might be school rules that are different than your home rules. Know it, learn it, and you'll be successful. Of course, you've seen them in the hallways. You see them on the back of our shirts. We have our Hawk rules. Have respect. Act responsibly. Work together. Keep safe. You have to realize that you're not the only student at Harvey Swanson. Look around. You have a class full of students. And lunch, look around. There's a whole grade level full of students. And our school is full of students. We have to have respect for each other, and we have to work together so that we can keep safe. And of course, acting responsibly is a huge part of all that stuff too. We'll get into more of our Hawk rules as we get into more Hawk Talks throughout the year. The last thing I want to show you and introduce today for our first ever Hawk Talk of the 2013-2014 school year is our grid. Each one of these columns has a different poster that goes along with it. There are different Hawk rules for the classrooms, the office, the cafeteria, for when you come and when you go, for the hallways, recess and playground, bathrooms, bus, and assemblies. We'll go through all of those one by one in the next few weeks. But I want you guys just to think, act responsibly. If you do that, you'll be in great shape for all these things. I also want to tell you that our rules that are on our posters, they don't really tell you what not to do. They tell you what to do. It's about being positive, not about being negative. So that's all I've got to say. Now listen to the rest of the song and see what else will.i.am has to say about how you can be the best you that you can be. I look forward to an awesome school year. I look forward to eating lunch with you guys all the time. Look forward to seeing you in the hallways. Have respect, act responsibly, work together, and keep safe. We'll see you next time.
And what I am is, 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 and what I am is. There's nothing I can achieve because in myself I believe in those. Gonna keep our heads up high, keep on reaching high. Never gonna quit, just keep getting stronger. Ain't nothing gonna bring us down. Never giving up, gotta go. Because I know I'll keep getting stronger. What I am is, what I am is, what I am is, what I am is, what you are is, what you are is. There's nothing I can achieve because of myself I believe in.